Yeah. Oh. That felt good.
Yeah, that one was wicked. Same thing here. You're gonna relax this foot down. There we go. Oh. There's both your feet. Okay, I'm gonna roll you up on your side. Face this way here. There we go, other side. Pain in the back of the skull?
Yes.
And you
Base
feel
of
like
the
it's coming
head.
up right from the base of the head?
Yeah.
And as soon as we push here,
Yeah. Yeah, right there.
up into your eye?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ooh.
Yeah. I feel it like in my eye.
Tell me when that starts to fade out of your eye.
Okay.
Right there?
Yeah.
I don't even know if I was filming any of that. Oh, yeah, I was. Sometimes I'm not sure.
Or not.
Getting them to come out here and film for me is so much easier, but I just never ask.
You should.
I know, it's so much easier. Okay, what's this one like?
Oh, not as bad as the other, but I
Okay.
feel it.
We're going up to the honey hole
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. I'm nervous.
Ooh,
Yeah.
where's that at? Okay, tell me when it starts to fade out of there. Ooh, that's nasty.
Yeah, it hurts. It's fading a little.
Okay, tell me when it's not in the eye.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to this last one here. Right there. Drop your head down, nice and relaxed. There you go. Okay, tell me when that one fades. Is it shooting up the forehead or just right where my finger is?
Forehead.
Forehead? Tell me when it fades out of the
Right.
forehead.
Okay.
On a scale 1 to 10, what would you say it is right where my finger's at?
7.
Okay, tell me when it's a 5.
Okay.
Okay. True. All right, we'll do a little more soft tissue here.
Making me cry.
Nah. Where's the photography class at?
CCAC?
Oh, cool.
Yeah.